Ever since we got this BRZ, there has been one thing that's been bothering the crap out of us, and that is these headlights. These headlights are so disgusting. They're faded out like crazy, and they gotta go, right? They gotta go. And today we are officially going to be fixing it. The BRZ deserves the best of the best. She may not be running, but she can still look good. So what do we have for the BRZ today? You
Only the best of the best.
Best of the best. If you guys know BRZs, then you guys know of Vland. The Vlands are like the best headlights you can get for the BRZ, right?
Right.
They may not be the brightest,
but they look the best.
They look the best. If you want to stick with brightness, stick with OEM. It's super bright. But if you want to be a little hot boy and make your car look cool, get yourself some Vlands. Open it up so we can show the boys, because these things, I am so excited for this. I had Vland headlights on my BRZ, and you guys already know we had to put Vland headlights on this BRZ.
I'm cutting through the box.
Do you not know how to cut?
That's my left hand, okay? We do this every time.
Open her up.
Ooh, first open.
Oh, I am excited for these.
Oh, get you some brand new Vlands.
Ooh, that is hot boy. Open them up. You gotta open it up. They look so good. So you guys have definitely seen these on like everybody's BRZ. Everybody has these. They're affordable. They look amazing. And yeah, they look good.
They're the best looking ones.
They're the best looking ones. Oh man, that is beautiful. Can I do the honors?
Yeah.
All right. Wow. Like I said, they're affordable, they look amazing, and honestly, there's not too many aftermarket headlights for the BRZ platform, so these look amazing. You gotta show the boys the before and after. Dude, look at that. Oh my God. Dude, look at that. Old crusty headlight, nice new Vland. Wow. It has a blacked out housing, it has a nice C light, and then it has sequential turn signals. It looks amazing. And it also makes the front of the car look way newer. In my opinion, these are like the best headlights you can get, and these are gonna be going on to the BRZ today. I'm excited. This isn't only it. What else do we have for the BRZ today? Because we're not stopping at the headlights. What else we got?
Oh, I'll show you. Come over here.
All right, let's show them.
We got some new taillights.
Well, new to you. Amanda got some Toms, baby. Fun fact, I always wanted these taillights on my BRZ. I never got them because I could never get my hands on them. I could never find them. And whenever I found them, they were a little bit out of my price range. But Amanda got her hands on them and they look so good. Show the boys which ones you got. Take them out of the packaging. So these aren't brand new, but they're packaged like they're brand new.
No, they are brand new, no?
Are they? Yeah. No, they're used. Look, see? On the gasket, you got some debris. He packaged them like they're brand new, so good on him. Do the honors, open it up. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Now we gotta show the boys before and after too. Come on.
I messed with the red heavy.
Oh, the red looks so good.
Red.
Here's before. Everybody knows this. These came on every BRZ, every FRS. Now let's show after. Dang, look at that. Oh, look, upgrades for days.
Upgrades.
Like I said, BRZ still is not running. The motor, there's no motor in the car. So we're really close to getting the motor all finalized, but until the motor is finalized and we have everything that we need to rebuild it, we're gonna make her look good. Like Amanda just showed you guys, we got some headlights for this thing, we got some taillights for this thing, and then if we have some time, because we are on a little bit of a time crunch, if we have some time, we'll show the boys what's in this massive box. This box is literally taller than me. So if you guys have any guesses of what this thing could possibly be, leave it down in the comments right now. What do you guys think is in this box? If we have some time, we'll get into it. If we don't, it is what it is. Let's just go ahead and get started because I'm super excited. Let's throw these headlights in. It's been months, still no motor, huh?
Pain.
I know we kind of touched on it in the last video with the BRZ, but we are almost done with wrapping the entire car. The hood's done, roof is done, the entire side panels are done, and to be honest, I feel like we did a pretty good job. For the second time ever wrapping, I think we did a good job. We ran out of wrap, so we couldn't finish the new duckbill spoiler. We only got to do this piece. We still have to do the bottom piece, so we're still waiting on wrap to come in for that, but the driver's side is all done, and like you guys just saw, the bumper still isn't done. We ran out of wrap. We're waiting for more wrap to come in. It was supposed to come in yesterday.
I don't know what happened.
We were gonna do it today. Wrap didn't come in, so now we're doing headlights and taillights. So it's a win for us still. We're waiting for that. We debadged the front badge. That's why there's Bondo and it looks kind of ugly. We'll definitely gotta spray that up. We can't have the nice new Vlands and this ugly Bondo looking stuff to show it off. Can't do that. Gotta throw some primer on there, make her look good. First step to taking off the headlights is to take off the front bumper. So that's what we're gonna do. This was the hardest body panel to wrap, so that's why we left it for last, but that's why we also kind of ran out of wrap. Now, normally when you do this, you're just gonna take off both headlights. Now with the front bumper off, we have full access to the headlights. There she go. Dang! They're kind of plug and play, but kind of not at the same time. Here is the little adapter harness that they sent out. So sometimes these are plug and play and sometimes they're not. And I know that's so weird to say because it's like, dude, either they are or they're not. But you know, you watch like other people's videos on them like plugging these in. And I think for BRZs it's plug and play, and then for FRSs you have to do extra wiring.
Oh, it looks so sick from right here. Wow.
That is insane. Oh my God, I'm literally not even exaggerating right now how good it looks. Like, that looks so good. Wow, you needed that.
I needed that.
You needed that. Good on you.
I needed. Look at my OEM one, and then look at this brand new Vland. Oh my God, guys, go get you some Vlands. Stock headlight versus nice new Vland. That comparison is wild. Hopefully it works. I mean, we just plugged it in, so. Turn them on. Here's the daylight. Did it work? No? What about now? No? Nothing? Oh, man. Oh, that's weird. Oh, it worked. Oh. It worked. Woo! Okay. There we go. Wow, that looks so good. Oh my God. Wait, do the other one. Do the other one.
The way these lights came, there's this wire and this wire come connected, and then there's this random wire that's just dangling for no reason. It's literally the dumbest thing ever. You just disconnect this, and then the wire that was dangling, connect it there, and then you're good to go. Boom, that's it. You connect that and then the headlights are working.
Let's go.
That's the weirdest thing ever. How's that look? How's
so
that look?
good.
Oh my God. I am in love.
No, I'm in love.
That looks so good. I miss my BRZ.
Aww.
I miss it. There's tears running down my face right now. Headlights are in. Now it's time to do the taillights. Front of the car is looking way better. We got to make the rear of the car, the booty, look just as good. I know it's a little dark right now, but these were always my all-time favorite taillights. They just look so beautiful, man. The condition of these is just immaculate. I'm surprised how these were used, but all-time favorite taillights going into Amanda's car. I am so jealous of you right now. Okay, that's so all.
Let's see. Oh, here we go. Ta-da!
Let me get it. Here, let me do it.
It's on.
No, it's not. You gotta get this. There's like a little tab in here. You gotta get this tab in there. It was on the side.
Oh, you just told me to throw it in. I don't know.
Yeah, I thought you knew how to throw a taillight in. Fake car girl.
I'm not putting that in.
Okay, ignore this ugly looking thing. We'll get it sorted out soon, but wow.
Whoa.
That is great. That is amazing.
Oh my God.
Once again, you guys already know, we gotta show you guys a little before and after of the booty. That looks
10 times
that looks so good. Let's get to the other side because we are on a little bit of a time crunch, and I really want to show the boys what's in this box. Time to push this car for like the 1000th time. You ready?
Yeah.
Now is the time that Amanda has been waiting for all day. We haven't even opened this up. Like, all I did was open this little flap up a little bit, made sure what was in here is in here. Amanda has yet to see what's in this box. She knows what's in the box. You know what's in the box, obviously, right? But you've never seen it. And now you're gonna see it for the first time along with the boys and me. and me. Time to open up this mystery box, baby. I told you guys to guess what this is. If you haven't guessed yet, make your guesses now. Final guesses right now before we unveil what's in there. Inside this box is your widebody kit. It didn't even show. A widebody kit. So what have we got ourselves? Why don't you tell the boys?
I got a V1 Rocket Bunny kit for my BRZ.
Hell yeah, brother. This is a V1 kit. And now, I know a lot of you guys are probably gonna be thinking like, why'd you go V1? You know, everybody does V3, and that's the reason why. Everybody does V3. There's too many V3s out there in the world for Amanda to just do one over again. So we're doing a V1 kit, but not only a V1 kit, because everybody has a V1 kit. We're gonna be, actually, you know what? I'm gonna hold on it. I'm not gonna tell you guys what we're doing differently with this V1 kit. You guys are just gonna have to wait for that. But this V1 kit is gonna be just a little bit different. We're gonna take the beautiful Rocket Bunny V1 kit, but we're gonna add some of our own spice to it and make this thing look amazing. You guys know me. Some of you guys can probably already guess what we're gonna do to this thing, but we're definitely gonna be just a slight bit different than everybody else. What's funny is we have so many parts for this car and this thing isn't even running. Like, we have a whole wide body kit for this car and it's not even running. We gotta just get this motor together. Look at this, dude. We got the whole motor just everywhere right now, and it's just it's a whole mess right now. But we'll get to it. We'll get to it. But come on, let's mock up this wide body. Let's see what it's gonna look like.
A few moments later.
I don't know where the battery died, but we got the kit test fitted onto the car, and it looks whack. All right, so we kind of forgot that we have to cut a lot since it's not cut over here. The bottom of it is just popping out like crazy. Same thing with the back, it's just protruding outwards, but you kind of get an idea. You see the vision, yeah, you see the vision. And no, you don't. No. You don't see the vision. We're trying to see the vision, but it's really hard to see with just a rough mock-up. But we know this is what we want to do. This is gonna look insane with the duckbill and the taillights. It does look pretty cool from this angle. I mean, you can see that it's like clearly popping out from right there, but you know, that aside, this thing looks pretty cool in my opinion. You guys know what to look forward towards. We got a wide body and we're gonna kind of spice it up, make it our own, and we're gonna teach you guys how we're gonna spice it up and make it our own. That way, in case the boys want to do it, they can do it. Stock booty, wide booty. Man, can we just like wide body it now? Why do we have to wait? Honestly, like I don't want to wait right now. I know we just wrapped the whole quarter panel and everything, but a part of me just wants to start now.
Right?
I don't, man, looking at it like now, I just want to start. I just want to start this already. I love it. I love it. I love it. This thing just looks amazing. We got the other side's kit on too, but you know, there's no reason to put the other side on. You guys get a good look from right here. We got the headlights on. They look amazing. Once again, these are the Vland headlights. I know a few other companies make this style. I think Vland was like the first ones to make it. These things just look insane. Not the brightest headlights ever, but the blacked out headlight housings and just aesthetically, they are very, very pleasing. Like I said, functionality wise, they're not the best though. There's better options out there, but if you guys are just in it for the looks, these things look great. We got the wide body kit mocked up. It's looking all fire. There's a few more pieces that we didn't mock up, but you know, those are just gonna go on when the actual wide body goes on. And then finally, we got the taillights on. We have a lot more to go, but this is where we are gonna leave off for tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.